In this video, I will walk you through inserting and removing cartridges from the JetStamp Graphic 970. Turn the machine to any on position, numbers 1, 2, 3, or 4 on the dial. In order to move the cartridge carrier to the center and correct position, to insert or remove a cartridge, we will click the trigger button for approximately 1 second and simultaneously lift the machine up and off the base. This is the trigger button. Click, lift. If for some reason the base isn't in close proximity, you can always slide the cartridge carrier gently with your hand. This will not damage the unit. To open the carrier door, you need to detach the clip. Since I'm right-handed, I hold the printer with my left hand at approximately a 45-degree angle. Then I take my thumb and my pointer finger here and I push to the left and to the right to open the latch. Then once the latch is detached, I can open the door completely. Take the cartridge out of the plastic protective clip. Right here is the print head. This is where the ink actually comes out of. So I'm going to hold the machine at a 45-degree angle and take the back of the cartridge and slide it into the slot. This should go in very easily. Then with my thumb, I will take the door, pressing on the open, and click it into place. If for some reason there's any struggle to close the door, please take the cartridge out and reposition it, as any type of added force to the door could damage the unit. Once the cartridge correctly positioned and clicked into place, click the trigger button again, and the cartridge should return to the home position on the left-hand side. Now you're ready to print. Keep in mind, if the cartridge isn't inserted correctly, it will not print. Please make sure that you transfer information to the machine and have it associated with number 1, 2, 3, or 4 on the dial. For example, if you transfer a message to number 2 and have the dial turned to number 1, the cartridge carrier will not move or print. In order to remove the cartridge for proper storage so that the ink does not dry out, place the unit back onto the base, click the trigger button for approximately 1 second, and lift the machine off the base to recenter the carrier for removal. Make sure to turn the unit off. The off position is the circle with the little dash in it. Take the cartridge, put it back into the clip. This enables the cartridge not to dry out, and you get maximum storage and life out of the cartridge. I recommend watching our cartridge care video available on handheldinkjet.com as well to make sure that you get the longest life out of your cartridge. This is Stephanie Neer from AMI Reiner. I hope you found this technical video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We look forward to assisting you with your marking and coding projects.